Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your Bowers Wilkins Pi5 S2. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that, right here at the top we have this connection button. Press and hold it until listed lights start flashing red. Now you can remove your finger and it enters to mode automatically, so firstly we should remove it. Click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget the device, forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device and click on your earbuds at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!